Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorain County, Medina County, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wellington and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Medina, Elyria, Litchfield, Grafton, North Ridgeville, Brunswick. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, and Medina.
The forecast for northeast and North Ohio.